as part of Kuwait's national transformation toward a more balanced and sustainable future. Clean energy is no longer a theoretical concept or a postponed option. It has become an operational reality within sovereign sectors that play a central role in energy security and the national economy. Within this trajectory, the Kuwait National Petroleum Company presents an advanced model of how a deeply rooted oil sector can reshape its tools from within without losing its identity, without compromising operational efficiency, but rather by strengthening and modernizing it. Today, solar energy is evolving from a supporting project into an active operational component at the Al-Aish and Al-Shuaiba liquefied petroleum gas filling plants, in an experience that goes beyond the technical dimension to reflect an integrated strategic vision, one that brings together economic efficiency, environmental responsibility, and energy security.
البداية بدأت دولة الكويت بالاعتماد على الغاز والبترول.
In the early 1960s, Kuwait began relying on liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, as an alternative to traditional domestic fuel. At that time, Kuwait Oil Tanker Company was granted the concession to market and distribute LPG. In 1962, the first LPG filling plant was established in the Kuwait industrial area to meet local demand. With urban development and population growth, another plant was built in the Shuaiba industrial area in 1985 to accommodate mentioned increased demand. As urban expansion extended toward the northern regions, the Al-Aish plant was commissioned to supply northern areas up to Kuwait City. More recently, on 1st August 2025, ownership of LPG plants as operational assets was transferred from Kuwait Oil Tanker Company to Kuwait National Petroleum Company, marking a new phase in the institutional management of Kuwait's energy sector.
ناقلات النفط الكويتية إلى شركة البترول الوطنية.
In 2016, following a high-level directive stipulating that renewable energy should account for 15% of Kuwait's total electricity by the year 2030, a clear national orientation began to take shape toward integrating alternative energy sources across key sectors. This directive served as a general framework for a subsequent institutional pathway that was translated into plans, studies, and executable projects within the oil and gas sector. In response to this direction, oil sector entities were instructed to study practical, applicable solutions, each according to its field of specialization and operational requirements. Within the gas project sector, emphasis was placed on utilizing available space within existing filling and processing facilities to integrate solar energy into daily operations without the need for external expansion or operational disruption. Technical assessments showed that Al-Aish and Shuaiba plants possess suitable spatial and technical traits for the establishment of solar power plants capable of fully supplying the facilities with clean energy. In 2019, the project entered its foundational phase with the signing of a contract with a specialized research institute to assess electrical load requirements and analyze actual energy consumption patterns. The study contributed to defining the required production capacity for each site, determining the optimal size of the solar power plants, aligning energy output with full operational requirements, ensuring uninterrupted operations without any shutdowns. The study and planning phase lasted roughly 2 years. In 2024, the execution contract was awarded to a specialized national company, and construction of the solar power plants at Al-Aish and Shuaiba commenced at the same time. The execution phase lasted roughly 18 months and was carried out within active operational sites containing gas lines and existing facilities without implementing any shutdowns. Key challenges included operating within active industrial sites, variations in soil conditions between the two locations, the need of engineering adjustments to mounting systems. These challenges were successfully addressed through carefully engineered technical solutions. The solar power plants rely on an integrated technical system comprising solar panels that convert sunlight into direct current electricity, cable networks that transmit the generated power, inverters that convert DC into alternating current AC suitable for industrial use, direct supply of generated power to the plants. Structural foundations were custom designed for each site after studying geographical conditions, sea level elevation, and climatic factors, with the ability to withstand wind speeds exceeding 160 kilometers per hour. Number of solar panels: Umm Al-Aish, 7,000 panels. Shuaiba, 5,000 panels. Total installed capacity, 10.8 megawatts. Annual energy production: Umm Al-Aish, 6.5 gigawatts. Shuaiba, 4.5 gigawatts. Total, 11 gigawatts. This production has contributed to reducing load on national electricity by 11 gigawatts annually, decreasing reliance on conventional energy sources, cutting fuel consumption equivalent to roughly 16,000 barrels of oil per year. From an environmental perspective, the project has resulted in a reduction of roughly 8,000 tons of CO2 emissions annually. An impact equivalent to planting around 500,000 trees. The Umm Al-Aish plant has also obtained a net zero carbon footprint certification, reinforcing sustainability as an integral part of daily operations. A 5-year maintenance contract has been adopted, covering regular cleaning of solar panels to maintain production efficiency, replacement of any damaged components, including panels, breakers, or cables. The system is managed through an electronic monitoring platform that tracks full production performance and issues real-time alerts. Efficiency before cleaning, 70 to 80%. post-cleaning performance, output increased by up to 25%. KNPC's solar energy initiative has also extended to fuel stations, where partially solar-powered stations have been launched, including Al Rigga Station, West Abdullah Mubarak Station. The company plans to open 15 additional partially solar-powered stations during 2024 as part of a gradual approach to reducing reliance on fossil fuels and expanding clean energy generation. These projects are supported by national engineering and technical teams responsible for operation, monitoring, maintenance, system management. This model underscores that energy transition depends as much on human capital as it does on technology. What has been achieved at Al-Aish and Al-Shuaiba, as well as solar-powered fuel stations, reflects a clear pathway for modernizing the energy sector from within through practical, scalable solutions that do not compromise energy security or supply stability. In this way, the state of Kuwait continues to advance the goals of 2035 vision through carefully planned steps that combine strategic planning, advanced technology, and national expertise, laying the foundation for a more efficient and sustainable future.